Shenzhen Huidegui Science and Technology Development Company Limited, was established in 2012. It has been dedicated to the integrated operation of electronic product design, R&D, manufacturing, and brand services. Currently, Huidegüi's main product lines include USB hubs, SSD enclosures, SSD/HDD docking stations, and other 3C products. We remain committed to becoming the most valuable smart manufacturer and solution provider, offering professional OEM/ODM customization services to global customers and helping brands create greater value. With strong R&D, rigorous product testing, excellent circuit layout, and core SMT technology, we ensure every product is highly competitive. The company operates with a stable supply chain and a modern 2,000 square meter production facility. We have obtained international certifications such as ISO 9001 and fully implement the 7S management system. From raw material procurement to finished product delivery, each step undergoes strict quality control to ensure compliance with international standards including REACH, FCC, RoHS, CE, and ISO 9001. In production, we use advanced Yamaha PCBA placement and inspection equipment, enabling rapid prototyping, mass production, and comprehensive testing to ensure efficient and reliable PCBA quality. By following standardized processes, including logo printing, accessory testing, assembly, final product testing, packaging, weighing, film sealing, and boxing, we deliver high-quality, efficient, affordable, and reliable products and services. This has earned us an excellent reputation and high esteem in the industry. Huidegui is committed to building mutually beneficial partnerships with experienced collaborators. As the company grows, our products are well regarded in the United States, Europe, Japan, South Korea, Australia, and many other countries. We focus on every product, every customer, and every solution, striving to deliver high-quality results that satisfy our clients.